Moto G Stylus 5G, a budget phone with a pen. Motorola launched a new version of its Moto G Stylus smartphone, adding 5G connectivity and some improvements to the stylus experience. The Moto G Stylus 5G is a mid-range phone that offers a large 6.8-inch FHD Plus display, a quad camera setup, a 5000 mAh battery, and a built-in stylus for taking notes, drawing, and more. The phone costs $399, making it one of the most affordable 5G phones on the market. The Moto G Stylus 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 480 processor, which is a decent chipset for everyday tasks and casual gaming. The phone also comes with 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which can be expanded via a micro SD card slot. The phone runs on Android 11 with Motorola's minimal customizations such as Moto Actions and Moto Display. Moto G Stylus 5G is value for money. The stylus is the main selling point of the Moto G Stylus 5G, as it allows users to interact with the phone in different ways. The stylus has a spring-loaded mechanism that pops out when pressed, and it automatically launches a dedicated app that lets users choose from various stylus features, such as taking notes, editing screenshots, creating GIFs, and more. The stylus also supports gestures, such as double tapping to switch between tools or apps. The stylus is responsive and accurate, but it lacks the advanced features and pressure sensitivity of Samsung's S Pen. The Moto G Stylus 5G has a quad camera system on the back, consisting of a 48MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. The main camera takes decent photos in good lighting, but struggles in low-light situations. The ultra-wide camera offers a wider field of view, but sacrifices some details and colors. The macro camera can capture close-up shots, but the quality isn't very impressive. The depth sensor helps with portrait mode, which blurs the background of the subject. The front-facing camera is a 16MP shooter that takes selfies and supports face unlock. The Moto G Stylus 5G supports most 5G networks. The Moto G Stylus 5G supports 5G connectivity on both sub-6 GHz and mm wavebands, which means it can work with most 5G networks in the US. The phone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-C port, a fingerprint sensor, and a dedicated Google Assistant button. However, the phone lacks some features that are common in other mid-range phones, such as NFC, wireless charging, and water resistance. The Moto G Stylus 5G has a huge 5000 mAh battery that can last for more than a day of moderate use. The phone also supports 20-watt fast charging, which can replenish the battery in about an hour and a half. However, the phone doesn't come with a charger in the box, so users will have to buy one separately or use their own. The Moto G Stylus 5G is a good option for people who want a 5G phone with a stylus without breaking the bank. The phone offers a large screen, a long-lasting battery, and a decent performance for its price. However, the phone also has some drawbacks, such as a mediocre camera, a lack of NFC, and a limited software update policy. Motorola has only promised one major Android update and 2 years of security updates for the phone, which is disappointing for a 2023 phone. Therefore, the Moto G Stylus 5G may not be the best choice for people who want a future-proof phone with more features and more support.